Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to edit photos in Leonardo AI. First, you need to open your browser. Once it's open, simply go to Leonardo AI and use your credentials to log in, just as you know. If you are not logged in, you can watch my previous video. The link is in the description. Just click on the link and you will be able to access it easily. Today, we will see how we can edit a photo using Leonardo AI. For this, you will find the canvas option here. Just click on it. After clicking, a new page will open. This is where you can edit your photos. To get started, you need to upload your photo. To upload, you'll see an option for an image here. Just click on it. After clicking, a new format will open. You need to upload your picture from here. The one you want to edit, just double-click on it, and it will be uploaded. For example, I want to add a necklace in this picture, so I will first go left and right. After that, I'll change the canvas mode. You will see options in front of you. I will select the last one. Let's see how we can apply this. First, you need to click on this button. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you. Once it's open, you need to come here and adjust it according to your preference. Now, I'll tell you how we will use this. You just need to draw a simple line here. After that, you need to go to the prompt below. Here, you need to write, "Put a necklace in the neck that's silver." After writing this, just hit the Enter button, and it will start generating. There you go. Your image is ready. You can see it has added a necklace to the neck. That's how you can edit a photo using Leonardo AI. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.